Hey, it's Cyn Doll, and both photos that you're looking at are me after liposuction. The reason I got liposuction is because I've been doing hair since I was 19, and I got married and had children in between. But you know, it's never a time where I can stop and take time for myself after work. I would go straight to Mickey D's, boo boo. A double cheeseburger with mac sauce, and sometimes I got bacon. So I had to change everything about myself, and not just the things that I ate, but also the company that I kept and what I did and how I spent my time. As amazing as my job was, it took everything from me. I wasn't able to spend time with my children the way that I wanted to. I wasn't able to treat my hair and my body the way that I wanted to. So I really had to step away and completely die to my old self as I transformed myself spiritually, emotionally, and everything. And now today, the place that I'm at is the place that I can share this process. You know, some people may look and say, girl, you look cute, but I was a little too thick to myself, and I needed to see myself the way that I really felt that I was. Like when I would dream about myself and stuff, I needed to create that version of Cyn. So now at this place that I'm at today, I now just need to tighten everything up. Now I am at the mastery phase of my life, and I really am so grateful for everybody who has still been sticking around through this mastery phase, because I am just getting started. Let's talk.
Trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.
You already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, boo. And Bellway is everything for me, because if my digestive tract is not okay, it does not matter what I'm eating to lose weight, what I'm eating to keep my body balanced, I'm going to obtain water weight. So this is how I make sure I'm easy breezy, girl. Okay, but you guys, even though I'm no longer standing behind the chair, I am more immersed in the hair industry than I've ever been, and it feels so good, because now I like to call myself the middleman, the middle girl, because most of my clients now come to me to figure out what to do in between their appointments, or I lead them in the right direction, who to go to and when to go to a hairstylist. Because contrary to popular opinion, hairstylists are not sitting around wanting to be your end all be all. It makes their job easier if you know certain maintenance practices to do in between appointments. And all of my clients, they all go to their hairstylist like for their trims, if they want color, if they need a deep conditioning treatment, all of the things that you should probably be licensed to do, right? And it feels good to be able to give back in that way, because you know, I'm gonna be honest, even though I've made my life about the science of hair, that doesn't change the things that are on me genetically, or you know, the different things that I deal with. So it makes it really good to be able to control what I do share and what I don't share via social media. And I just want to say straight off the back that I am so grateful for all of my Guru 101 members, all of my Guru Elite and Guru VIP members, everybody that has a membership here through YouTube. And even if you don't pay any money for my memberships, thank you so much for purchasing ebooks from me. And I only say all of that nice stuff. I mean it, but I don't want you to be mad about this part, what I'm about to say right now. Hello, my lovelies. At this point, you've seen me in this shirt a couple of times, but now I am winding down my day, and I am getting ready to do some self-care practices. I'm getting ready to get into the bathtub, and I just want you guys to know that like I told you guys in this video right here, I am no longer ashamed of my body and the way that it looks. And if my curves disturb you, then god damn it, you're just gonna be disturbed, because it is what it is. What we're not gonna do is make me feel bad for the ass that I do have, as we praise the other ones. Like we're not gonna make me feel bad. And yes, it is mine. Yes, it is. And yeah, but I do want to share a couple of things with you guys. my weight loss journey is something that I do plan on sharing in a whole lot of detail. But right now, I'm just gonna mind my business. And I really want all of the other thick girls around the world to know that we are done being ashamed. We're done being called fast, even though you can't call me fast anymore because I'm a grown ass woman, you know, and hell yeah, I'm fast. Had my uterus cut open twice. But this is the thing, what we're not going to do in 2022, what I will not do in 2023 is constantly answer questions about if whether or not this homegrown ass is mine. Okay, I'm not gonna keep doing it because we're not gonna go from me being fast and my ass being a curse from Jezebel. Okay, I'm going from me being a Jezebel to me having to explain whether or not my ass is real. Yes, it is mine. Homegrown, cornbread, and greens, and potato salad, macaroni and cheese with no sour cream. Hey, and stuffing. Shit. Like, what you talking about? So I just need to get that out. You gonna give me the respect that a black woman is due, because what we not gonna do is treat the originals like the fakes, and you not gonna be asking me if this ass is real. Yes, it is. Hey, mister. All right, I'm done ranting. Thank you guys for staying and listening to my shenanigans. In the comments below, I need you to let me know if whether or not you are a thick girl. If you are a thick girl and all your life you've been told that your body is wrong, you were called fast, and all you were trying to do is go to the goddamn store with your friends, then you give me a hell yeah girl in the comments, because we out here now and we do not have to be feeling bad, and we do not have to be asked if whether or not our booty cheeks is real or not, and we can say none of your damn business if we want to, because you know what, I be lying. I be like, nope, it ain't even mine. It don't even jiggle, it folds. See y'all later.
I meant to get a good vlog for this part, but I don't know. I don't like being outside. I just don't like being outside that much. So if I don't like being outside, why would I want to be filming and talking while I'm outside?
Everybody doing this, girl. Doing the loop. Check it out, y'all. Y'all get on up. Come on now.
Can you reach my jacket back there?
Y'all know what it's on. Yeah. I told my baby.
What you tell her? You want to wait?
No, no.
So I'm about to get this video edited, and today is December 20th, 2022. And when I tell you, like, content wise, everything's okay, but it's just like I'm just in this state of like peace, but I'm trying to find like that balance and not being too peaceful to the point where I can't get nothing done. But I just had this coaching call, Lord, this meeting with this brand. It was the bullshit. Like,
Why do y'all keep calling people? Don't stop calling me with the 150. I'm a startup. Listen, I was a startup too. You being a startup don't have nothing to do with me. Do you hear me? You whether you just started your business today, or whether you started it yesterday, whether you started it 30 years from now, it don't matter. I still gotta do the same amount of work. I still gotta cut on the same camera. I still gotta push on my glasses in the same way. Like, what? What that have to do with me? How long you been in biz, naive? Nothing. You can't call if you doing promotion for the TV on the TV. You can't tell them like, hey, I want to do some advertisement. I just opened my business yesterday. They're gonna be like, okay, what does that have to do with me? Like, what do I gotta do with me? Because whether you just started your business yesterday or whether you've been doing it for 30 years, you still want the same type of content. You still want the same type of promotion for me. So I'm trying to figure out why. What you? Stop calling people with that bullshit. Stop calling people with that. No, like, it's annoying. What? It don't matter when you start it up. I still gotta start up my camera the same way. I still gotta paint on my eyebrows the same. Still gotta put on lip gloss the same. Everything's the same, Chuck. Everything is the same, Dan. Everything is the same, Pam. You hear me? And don't nobody care that you a black business girl. Nobody care. You listen. All of this support black business stuff, you say that to other people, okay? Other people of different flavors, okay? Now having a black business is popular, but hey, I am 32 years old, about to be 33, and I have had a black business since I was 18, okay? And before it was popular, people was telling me to get a real goddamn job. People was telling me to get a real damn job forever, okay? Nah. So now that you tired of your real job and you want to make my unreal job your real job, now you want me to give you a discount on my real job so you can start your new real job because you ain't like your old real job? No. No, Shalissa. No, Shalissa. Okay, so I am about to do my nails, edit a video. This will be a part of a vlog. Like, stop calling people with that. Hello, beautiful. I'm just ranting on the camera. I have to go. My daughter's up. Sleeping Beauty has arised. Come here, my lover. Mommy was just ranting in the camera. Oh. So now, I was just making dinner. Now I'm eating chips because my dinner's not done yet. All of my filming is done for the day. I have to clean up his room. He's waiting for me to drop something. I'm not gonna drop anything, Flash. You can't eat chips. You know that. This is problem. I'm the problem. But like, I'm so glad that the lady told me like, hey, will you take him home? Will you feed him? That's all the food he needs. Don't be giving him don't overfeed him because he being a fat ass. And I'm so glad she said that because I see how English bulldogs be fat. Because yes, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you because like literally they will just eat all day. Like you feed them, he just ate. He just ate. So I know he not hungry. Hey, me drooling. You know I don't like when you drool on my floor. Right. Come here. Come here so they can see you. Look at just being a booty hole. You are not hungry. No, you're not gonna make me feel bad because you are not hungry. You just ate, Flash, and now everybody can see you. Look in the camera. No, don't look at me. Look in the camera. Look, they can see you. Don't. Do you see this? Come get him. You being ghetto, and I got it on camera. I filmed the whole thing, Flash. You being ghetto. Don't you come back in here with no drama, Flash. Like I'm not here for it, bro. They can see you. You're a baby. A baby. A baby. A baby. A baby. Good boy. That's the problem. I know. Mind your business. And don't tell me how to raise my son. I know I'm not supposed to be feeding him like that. No, bro. The rest of this is mine, bro. The rest of this is mine, bro. Like, I'm not about to keep, like, no. No. You need to learn that no means no. Like the difference between, don't stop looking at it. Stop, it's not yours. This is not yours. Flash or Rama. This is mommy's. Okay? Okay, man. That's annoying. That's it, bro. That's it. Thank you. I make sure that you be having all your stuff. But you still, you be on that bull. And then when we in the camera, you be acting funny. Like you don't be giving me no kisses or nothing. Like you looking away like while I'm talking, like I'm getting on your nerves. I'm getting on your nerves. I'm getting on your nerves. Bet. So you just gonna leave. Okay.
Trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember,